Download Mandalion Chinese, use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.
Let's learn how to form numbers in the Chinese language. To begin forming numbers greater than 10, it is important to be familiar with the basic digits from 1 to 10 first, because they will be key in helping you form all the other numbers quickly. Generally, numbers that are greater than 10 in Chinese can be broken down into tens and ones. For numbers ranging from 11 to 19, you combine 10 for 10 with the respective digit in the ones place. So in this case, the number 11 is made up of 110 and 11. 10 is 10 and 1 is 1. So 11 is the combination of 10 and 1. 11. Applying the same rule, 12 is made up of 110 and 2 ones. So 10 and 2. 12. 13 is 110 and 3 ones. 10 and 3. 13. And 14 is 110 and 4 ones. 10 and 4. 14. Hence, 15 is 15. 16 is 16. 17 is 17. 18 is 18. And 19 is 19. The next number after 19 is 20. So let's take a look at how multiples of 10 are formed in Chinese. The same tens and ones rule apply. 20 is made up of 2 tens and 0 ones. Hence, 20 is simply 20, which literally means 2 tens. So, using the same rule, 30, 40, and 50 should be 30, 40, and 50 because they each have 3 tens, 4 tens, and 5 tens respectively. And so 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, and 90 90. Finally, let's learn how to form all the other numbers in between. Once again, apply the tens and ones rule. The number 21 consists of 2 tens and 1 one. As we have just learned, 2 tens or 20 is 20 and 1 is 1. Therefore, 21 is 21. Now let's take a look at 99. 99 is made up of 9 tens and 9 ones. 9 tens or 90 is 90 and 9 is 9. Hence, 99 is 99. Let's take a look at a few more examples. 34, 56, and 78. 34 consists of 3 tens and 4 ones, or 30 plus 4. 30 is 30 and 4 is 4. Therefore, 34 is 34. 56 is 50 plus 6. So it is 56. And finally, 78 is 70 plus 8, which is 78.
Download Mandalion Chinese, use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.